You are eating your lean chicken breasts. You are grilling your premium cuts of steak, and you are dutifully tracking your daily protein to ensure your muscles are fed. You look great in the mirror, and your muscles are growing. Welcome to Dr. Levitas. But when you wake up in the morning, the reality tells a different story. Your knees ache when you walk down the stairs. Your shoulders click and pop during your workouts. Your lower back feels incredibly stiff and fragile. Why is your body breaking down when you are feeding it the highest quality protein available on the market? The answer lies in a massive biological blind spot that the modern fitness industry has completely ignored. Today, we are fundamentally changing the way you view protein and joint health. We are taking a fascinating dive into the Glycine-Collagen Matrix. We are going to uncover why the modern diet is quietly destroying your connective tissue, how a hidden amino acid imbalance is draining your longevity, and exactly how you can lubricate your joints and heal your gut. Please take a second to like the video and leave a comment. Your engagement is a huge help to the channel. To understand why your joints are failing, we first have to look at how human beings were biologically designed to eat versus how we eat today. For thousands of years, our ancestors ate nose to tail. When they consumed an animal, they ate the muscle meat. Yes, but they also slowly simmered the bones. They ate the cartilage, the tendons, and the skin. They consumed the entire biological matrix. Modern society, however, has isolated our diet to exclusively eat what we call muscle meat. The problem with this is that muscle meat is heavily, almost exclusively, concentrated in a specific amino acid called methionine. Methionine is a wonderful, essential amino acid that triggers muscle growth and cellular repair. But in human biochemistry, every action has a reaction, and methionine comes with a severe metabolic cost. When you consume massive amounts of methionine without balancing it, the breakdown process in your liver creates highly inflammatory byproducts, including homocysteine. A chronic overconsumption of methionine acts like a slow systemic fire inside your body. It actively drains your body's antioxidant reserves and suppresses your longevity genes. To safely and efficiently process methionine, your body desperately relies on a balancing amino acid, glycine. Glycine is the ultimate biological buffer. But here is the massive problem. Glycine is found almost exclusively in the connective tissues, the skin, and the bones of animals. It is found in the exact structural pieces that we cut off and throw in the garbage. By eating exclusively skinless chicken breasts and lean steaks, we have created a massive, highly inflammatory amino acid imbalance. We are flooding the engine with fuel, but we are completely depriving the vehicle of its oil. So, what exactly does this missing glycine build? It builds the most important structural scaffolding in the human body, collagen. When most people hear the word collagen, they immediately think of an expensive beauty cream or a supplement designed to reduce wrinkles and give you glowing skin. While collagen does absolutely support your skin, reducing it to a cosmetic supplement is a massive understatement of its biological power. Collagen is the single most abundant protein in the human body. It makes up a staggering 30% of all the protein you possess. If your muscle is the engine that generates force, your collagen is the steel chassis that absorbs and transfers that force. Your tendons, which attach your muscle to your bone. Your ligaments, which attach your bones to other bones. The delicate spiderweb-like fascia that wraps around every single muscle fiber. The smooth, glistening cartilage that cushions your joints. Even the structural, flexible matrix of your skeleton itself, all of it is built from collagen. When you starve your body of dietary glycine and collagen, your physical chassis becomes dry and brittle. The strong muscle engine keeps pulling, but the weak, starved tendons and ligaments begin to fray under the tension. The cartilage thins out. That is exactly why your joints ache, your shoulders pop, and your knees throb. You are suffering from a localized structural starvation. So, how do we rescue our joints and reverse this decay? We utilize the profound science of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. You cannot just eat a raw tendon to fix your joints. Your digestive system would struggle to break it down. Modern science has given us an incredible tool called hydrolyzation. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are collagen proteins that have been broken down into tiny, highly absorbable, microscopic amino acid chains. When you consume these peptides, they pass effortlessly through your gut lining and enter your bloodstream. But they do not just act as raw building blocks. This is where the magic happens. Clinical studies have revealed that these specific peptides act as powerful biological signaling molecules. When these peptides arrive at your achy joints, they physically bind to the receptors on your chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are the highly specialized cells inside your joints, responsible for manufacturing new cartilage. As we age, these cells tend to fall asleep. The collagen peptides act as a loud biological alarm clock. They send a direct chemical command to the chondrocytes. Wake up. We have the raw materials. Start building new cartilage right now. By supplementing with 15 to 20 grams of high-quality collagen peptides daily, you are actively stimulating your body's own localized repair mechanisms. You are reducing joint pain, hydrating the cellular matrix, and reversing the structural decay caused by the modern muscle meat diet. But I must give you a critical, absolutely non-negotiable warning. You cannot just swallow a scoop of collagen and expect a miracle if you are missing the ultimate biological cofactor. Your body cannot synthesize strong, healthy collagen without a massive, continuous supply of vitamin C. Inside your cells, there are specialized enzymes whose only job is to twist the individual amino acid strands into a tight, unbreakable, triple helix structure. Think of a thick, heavy-duty marine rope. If the strands are loose, the rope snaps under pressure. Vitamin C acts as the biological staple gun that cross-links those strands together. Without adequate vitamin C, the collagen your body tries to build will remain loose, weak, and structurally useless. This is exactly why sailors who suffered from scurvy, a severe vitamin C deficiency, literally had their old wounds open back up and their teeth fall out. Their body's biological glue simply dissolved. If you are taking collagen to heal your joints, you must pair it with a high-quality source of whole food vitamin C to ensure the scaffolding is bolted together correctly. Now, let's look at how the primary amino acid in collagen, glycine, performs an absolute miracle for your brain and your nervous system. Glycine is not just a structural building block for your body, it is a profound, highly active neurotransmitter in your central nervous system. Specifically, it acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter. Its job is to calm things down. When you consume a heavy dose of glycine, such as a large scoop of collagen or a heavy mug of bone broth, about an hour before bed, it easily crosses the blood-brain barrier. Once inside your brain, it calms the erratic electrical storm of anxiety and stress. But it does something even more mechanical. It actively causes your blood vessels to dilate at the extremities, which forces your core body temperature to drop. A drop in core body temperature is a strict, physiological requirement to enter the deepest, most restorative stages of slow-wave sleep. Clinical sleep studies have definitively proven that supplementing with 3 to 5 grams of glycine drastically improves sleep architecture. It helps you fall asleep faster, forces you into deeper sleep cycles, and leaves you feeling profoundly refreshed the next day, entirely without the dangerous grogginess of synthetic sleep medications. You are healing your joints and biohacking your sleep simultaneously. And if you want to experience the absolute ultimate ancestral source of this magic, you look to the original superfood, bone broth. When you take high-quality grass-fed animal bones, connective tissue, and marrow, and slow simmer them for 24 to 48 hours, you are doing exactly what our ancestors did. You are extracting the pure, raw essence of the Glycine-Collagen Matrix. Bone broth is the ultimate gut healing and joint lubricating elixir. As the broth cools, you will notice it turns into a thick jelly. That is pure gelatin, which is essentially cooked collagen. When you drink warm bone broth, that gelatin physically coats the lining of your digestive tract. It acts like a soothing biological spackle, sealing up the microscopic holes associated with leaky gut syndrome and dramatically reducing systemic inflammation in your intestines. It is a warm, deeply nourishing, perfectly balanced food that provides exactly what the modern, isolated diet lacks. Here is the doctor's verdict: eat the jelly. Your body is an incredibly interconnected, brilliant ecosystem. It requires balance to thrive. If you are experiencing joint pain, chronic stiffness, or poor sleep, your body is not failing you. It is simply asking for the biological glue you forgot to feed it. By understanding the vital importance of the Glycine-Collagen Matrix, you can step out of the trap of the modern muscle meat-only diet. By joyfully incorporating high-quality collagen peptides, vitamin C, and deeply nourishing bone broth into your daily routine, you are doing so much more than relieving joint pain. You are cooling the inflammation. You are deepening your sleep. You are rebuilding your physical armor so that it can carry you through a long, powerful, and vibrantly active life. I want to hear from you in the comments below. Are you going to try a cup of warm bone broth tonight or add a scoop of collagen to your morning routine tomorrow? Let's rebuild our bodies together. Until next time, stay curious, stay resilient, and take care of your joints. Watch this video suggestion. It was especially picked for you. Please share, comment, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos and keep growing.